We have this offering from Chewits, but it's not any Chewits, it's Chewits Xtreme Sour Jewels. And we got the Chewits crocodile, or is that meant to be dinosaur? I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's a dinosaur, maybe it's a crocodile, I don't know. Answers in the doobly-doo. Yeah, so I thought I'd give this a try. Because I like Chewits and these are gummy and they're purporting to be sour. We'll have to try and see about that. And there are a number of flavours. Here they are. They are, what are they? They're watermelon, cherry, orange. If it focuses. Will it focus? Pineapple and apple. It's annoying. Anyway. Enough focusing on that, we need to rip it open, don't we? We need to open said packet and extract, don't we? So we have one. I believe this is cherry, because you should be able to see it. Yep. So, yep. Everybody's seen it? Everywhere? Yeah, that's good. So we're going to dive in to Chewits Xtreme. Oh, they do have a sour kick. A bit of one. So tick for the sour. A little bit firm. They are a little bit firm. Sour's still there. I'm surprised. I'm nicely surprised. The only thing I'll probably give it a bit of a down on is they're a little bit firm. Oh yeah. Open here. Anyway. Oh yeah, it's okay, didn't do that. So, I would recommend these, but just be aware they're a little bit firm. Otherwise, to wrap this wee little video up, if you wouldn't mind following, liking, sharing, subscribing, all those things, that'd be great. But otherwise, ta-ra.